Hello, hello! Today we are going to make an umbrella. So are you excited for this one? Well, so am I. Let's see the steps here and then start making the umbrella. Yes, we have 4 steps right here. At first, we are going to make 2 dots and make a sleeping line right there. After that, let's make a curve on top. Which shape do we get? Yes, you're absolutely right. We get a semicircle right here. Once we are done with that, let's make these 2 curves inside right here. This is beautiful. Now we will make curves right on top of the sleeping line we have made. Make the design over here properly. And then continue with these lines and get it till the end. That's great. Once we are done with that, we are going to make the handle. Yes, let's make this together. Looks very interesting. We are going to take our sketch pen and start sketching now. Make sure that you do not sketch the rough lines or the parts which are being overlapped. Go very slow while sketching, as you cannot erase the sketch pen marks if you make a mistake. Draw very slowly and nicely. That's amazing. Continue with the handle. That is amazing. Let's erase all the pencil marks we see. This is great. We will now choose the colors which are already mentioned in the book. Do not worry if you don't have the same shade. You can take any other shade you like. Go ahead with the outline at first. And then color inside. Only in one direction. Do not keep any white spaces. And well, can you tell me which color this is? Yes, this is green color. And what about the color we are doing in the middle? Can you guess which one that is? Yes, that is orange color. Let's color this together. Press your color and make sure there are no white spaces in your drawing. Yes, that is going to make your umbrella look amazing. Let's do the top part with blue. And do a very light blue in the handle as well. This looks great. Let's take red color for the bottom part of the handle. This can be a little difficult coloring as there is a big curve right here. Don't worry, go very slow and color inside the lines. And then let's take cream color and complete filling all of these gaps. And look, we're done with our umbrella. This looks fantastic.